You sit down to focus, but your mind is already somewhere else. Thoughts racing, notifications are pulling you in all directions. Minutes pass, then hours, and somehow nothing gets done. But here's the truth no one tells you. Your focus isn't broken, it's just overloaded. And today, I'm going to show you 4 simple exercises that can reset your attention, calm your mind, and help you focus again, starting right now. Number 1, the 2-minute breathing reset. Let's begin with the fastest way to calm your mind, your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose for 4 seconds. This is not meditation, it's a restart. Your nervous system shifts out of stress mode. Your thoughts slow down, and your brain gets a clear signal. It's safe to focus. In just 2 minutes, mental noise starts to fade. Number 2, the single-task focus sprint. Focus doesn't disappear, it gets divided. So instead of doing everything at once, do one thing on purpose. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Choose one task, no multitasking. Do not check your phone, only 10 minutes. This short focus sprint helps your brain stay present. And once the timer ends, you'll be surprised how much clearer and lighter your mind feels. Number 3, the eye focus reset. Your eyes and your brain are deeply connected. When your eyes are tired, your focus follows. Look at something far away for 20 seconds. Then gently shift your focus to something close for 10 seconds. Repeat this 3 times. This simple movement relaxes your eyes, reduces screen fatigue, and refreshes your attention. It's like giving your brain a moment to breathe. Number 4, the mindful body scan. Now, bring your attention back into your body. Start at the top of your head and slowly move downward. Notice your jaw, your shoulders, your hands, and your feet. Wherever you feel tension, let it go. This body scan gently pulls your mind out of overthinking and back into the present moment. And when your mind is present, focus comes naturally. Start today. Focus isn't about forcing your brain to work harder. It's about giving it space to work better. These 4 simple exercises take only minutes, but their effect can last for hours. Try one today. Try all 4 tomorrow, and slowly you'll remember what clear thinking feels like. Your focus is still there. You just needed the right way to bring it back.